Hello friends, welcome to this page Nils channel. Today we will learn how to subtract two numbers in Solidity. Open your browser and type Premix ID. Click on this link. Now click here. Just close this pop-up. Now we will create a Solidity file under this contracts folder. We will choose our file name as subtract.sol. You can choose any file name, it's upon you. Now we need to bring the license number and Solidity version here. So we'll go to another file that's already created and we'll copy the license number and version and we'll paste it at the top of the file. So it's mandatory to write license number and version. Now we will write our contract. Contract name should be same as the file name, that's subject, and it should be start with capital letter. Now we will declare three variables. It's A, B and C. Now we need to write two methods, that's get and set. So first of all we'll write the set method to set and pass two parameters. So let's start writing set. Now we pass two parameters, that's int I and int j. Let's make it public so we can pass the parameters from outside the function. Now we'll assign the value of I and j inside A and B. So let's write A equal to I and B equal to J. Now we'll perform the subtraction and we'll store the subtraction value inside C. So let's write C equal to A minus B. So now this integer C has the value of A minus B. So whenever we'll call get method, it will return the output. So we need to write get method. So let's start. This get method will not have any parameters as it's returning the value, but we'll make it public so we can access it from outside. And it returns the value in integer, so we'll write int here and simply write down return C to get the value of C. So our program has been done and now we need to compile this program to see if it's error free. We'll click on this green button to compile our program. Yes, we do not have any error as we can see green check marks here. We can also click on auto compile to compile it automatically, but we don't need to do that. Now we will deploy our contract. Now click on this deploy button to deploy our program that we have written to subtract two numbers. So on click we can see that a transaction has been created. Let's see what's inside this transaction. So we can see that status is true and transaction is created from an address and it's called to subtract constructor. It means our program has been deployed, but it doesn't have any input or output right now. So let's click on this subject under deployed contract. Now let's click on this set button to see what's happened. We are getting an error because we are not passing any parameter. So we need to pass parameter to set method. So let's write 100 and 20. Now click on this transact button. A transaction has been created. And we can see that status is true. Two parameters has been passed to set method of a subtract contract and some gas has been burned. And we can see that in input we have two value I as 100 and J as 20. So now we need to call this get method to get the value of C. So let's click on get. So we are getting output as 80. A transaction has been created for this action also. And now let's see what's inside this contract. We can see that some gas has been burned for this and we are getting output as 80. Now delete it and to deploy another contract to check if it's working properly. Let's type 1000 to check and any random value and click on transact button. Transaction has been created. Let's click on get, and yes, we are getting right output since our program is working successfully. So we have done a program to subtract two numbers in Solidity. Thank you for watching it. Please like and subscribe.